Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for Microsoft Teams meetings. This is incredibly useful when you want to share meeting access quickly, whether it's for an event, a workshop, or just making it easier for participants to join without typing long URLs. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. On the left side navigation panel, you'll see several icons. Click on Calendar. This will take you to your schedule where all your upcoming and past meetings are listed. Browse through your calendar and find the specific meeting you want to create a QR code for. Once you've located it, click on that meeting to open its details. Inside the meeting details, you'll see various information about the meeting, including the join link. This is the crucial part. Copy that meeting link. You can usually do this by clicking on the join link itself or right-clicking and selecting copy. This link is what we'll use to generate the QR code. Now, open your web browser. It can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whatever you prefer. In the address bar, type in tinyurl.com and press enter. TinyURL is a fantastic tool not just for shortening links but also for generating QR codes, which is exactly what we need for this task. Once the TinyURL homepage loads, look for the option that says Generate QR Code. Click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page designed specifically for creating QR codes from URLs. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly. On this page, you'll see a field labeled Destination URL. This is where you'll paste the Microsoft Teams meeting link you copied earlier. Click into that field and paste your link. Make sure the entire link is pasted correctly without any extra spaces or characters. Once you've confirmed the link is properly pasted, click the Generate QR Code button. Now, give it a moment to process. The system needs a bit of time to convert your meeting link into a scannable QR code. You might see a loading indicator, so just be patient while it does its work. Once it loads, your QR code will appear on the screen. You'll see your unique QR code displayed, and below it, you'll have options to download it. TinyURL typically offers two format options, SVG and PNG. SVG is great if you need to print it at various sizes without losing quality, while PNG is perfect for digital sharing and presentations. Choose the format that best suits your needs and click Download. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Microsoft Teams meeting. Anyone can now scan this code with their phone and instantly access your meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.